Here, Taylor, take a seat. Or do that. Either one. Okay. Let's get ready.
Wait, I want ice cream.
Okay, ice cream. Oh, gosh.
Look, it's cherry on top.
Okay, here's your ice cream with cherry on top. Okay. Yes. She's passed out for the surgery, finally, so she can be quiet. Okay, let's open up her brain. Okay. Let's get ready. Oh, I love my job. Brain fart. That is supposed to be on your body, not in your brain, but your brain is part of your body. But whatever. Eat my boss so I don't have to work here anymore. But I like the money. So don't eat my boss. A pen? How did a pen get in there? That would be painful. Aim for the baby's head. Made it. Okay. A wig? With snakes in it? How can snakes be in a wig? Snakes are supposed to be out in the wild. Well, this is a hospital. Okay. Okay, that was just some random person. Okay, and a wig is supposed to be on your head, not in your head. Okay. Hey, Bob. That's a good look for you. Well, yeah, it's a good look for you because you're bald, so you need a wig. Tiger print, really? This is supposed to be on your clothes, not in your head, because no one's going to see it in your head. Look it! What was that? This place must be haunted or something. Don't know what that was, but I really don't care. Toothbrush. Little kid, you need to get out of here. This isn't your toothbrush. This is the lady's toothbrush, and it's all tiny because of her brain juice. Okay, well, it's good because she's scrubbing her brain and stuff, so yeah. Okay. That's good for the surgery. Okay. Now, sew it back together. Okay. Wake her up. Kids, get out of here. You're not supposed to be here during the brain surgery. Bam. You have you like that, kids. You want to end up like that woman? Huh? Oh, okay, wait.
Where am I? Is this real life?
Yes, you're in the hospital. You just had a brain surgery. Okay, Taylor, go back home. Go back home, Taylor.
Where's my parents?
They're at home, and go home and get out of this hospital. Now.